There will Mama Jesus. Afamabo, Madam Theresa Nedolisa, all the way from a bagana.
Afamabo, Madam Calista Nedolisa, Abalaki be one. Calista. Hello, Calista, Miyamabala.
Oh, that is good, but I do the introduction since this
is
my show.
I used to only share at this point in time.
It's so my show.
I've invested so much.
What? What we're doing here today, Mama, we're gonna kind of quick translations. Yes, we'll be quickly translating some words from English to Igbo. But most of you don't know Igbo like this, including myself, including Calista Nedolisa in all her glory. There are some words we do not know.
There are some words she do not know.
She do not know. No wonder you were bottom of the class. There are some words we do not know in Igbo language. Some English words I know on Igbo. And we're here to, talk about those words and translate them from English to Igbo. Let's get right on to the first word. Ah, flower. Flower. I'm going to do when I want a flower. Get kunji, so they can open me. Ogo kunji. But
it's no. I don't be too fragile here.
Sorry. So, but get kind of flower in Igbo.
I don't get the plastic one, no cocoa.
Oh, cocoa kind of flower.
Cocoa.
Somebody name cocoa. Oh, thank you, my darling. The next word is pigeon.
Pigeon.
You can have pigeon. Nduru.
Oh, Kenigbe, Monso Chineke, Menigbe Usanya Marage, Kamburo Nyoma, just like I am already.
Oh, that's good. Nduru. So nice.
So beautiful.
Yes, unlike you. Basket.
Nkata.
Oh, nkata kana we. Yes. Umbrella.
Fan up umbrella boni.
Nchemili. Yes. I find about umbrella.
Just to protect yourself from sun. Just like and then make this for sunscreen. For man, I get all the time.
Yeah.
Like us from AC to AC until I'm getting to Jaro.
One of your home, meeting is umbrella to protect.
I have a roof over my head, dog.
I know you do. I
need Maria.
Roof in
What the gen from Oboko to Babalada. What the gen from Oboko to Babalada.
Yes, umbrella with Chemiri and Chanwo. Let's get right on to the next word. Oh, we have pillar. Guinea pillar.
Hey, pillar. You got money on Kudo. Your
husband cannot relate. Because now we are the quarter. Have you forgotten that he came to
if we keep one in our back, you excited that we man or that quarter.
My husband is
not
going area.
Oh, now we are again.
Doctor, we to the paralyzed.
How dare
you?
Okay, treat to go long way. Oh, the table long way. I can pocket hospital and collapse. You liquidate Let's move on. One more time. You discuss failure. Get a You should. Let's say should. Someone.
How many men have you had outside your marital home?
Oh, master Adam. Galaba has something.
Yes,
something with the femme.
So let's get right on to the next. Window. Window.
Window mbupu. Like you appetite something. Space. Everybody is up.
So translate the sentence.
Calista Nedolisa peeped at her husband having sex with another woman through the window.
But that has to be it. You want another sentence you use? If rock head. If it's a quality.
Since you don't translate that sentence, it's alright. But when I'm gonna window beginning. Let's get right on to the next. Air conditioner.
Drawing.
Yes, actually. You know.
Sure, yes. Just like me, if I have the glow for it on like some people.
I feel glue. Yes, products I use power oil.
What's that? Oh, you man, skin. You go to skin by God.
Skin by God. So, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Dalono. Quick translation. I can have our wonderful guest, Calista Nedolisa, all the way from whatever Nteje.
Why to Lugo? Where put? Why you Lugo? When Galaba? Hey, there you get it.
That look Madam Theresa Nedolisa all the way from a bagan. Gordon. Cello. Calista, I forgot to congratulate you on the show. Can you remember? Congratulations. You're not away the second one. Ibe Puke. Oh, God, congratulations! You're a grandmother.